to my life. I'm just a New York girl, 50 shades of pink and red.
Out early, working out, tired, about to go for a walk. So just finished working out with hubby for 45 minutes. Today we decided to come to the park and we do like a circuit routine, which is very, very hard. And we actually tried to get out here a little earlier because now it's hot. So, you don't want to be in the blazing sun. And then like all the little kids start coming to the park. But I haven't really worked out like that. Like it's a lot of strength and muscle training where you do use like resistance bands and things like that. And those are kind of hard for me. Like running on a treadmill and doing the elliptical, like that's easy for me. But like the muscle training, which I need to do more of because I want to get like my arms really, really tight, that's like hard for me. So next week is 4th of July. We're having a picnic probably. But the week after that, we're going to go play tennis. And I used to play tennis when I was a little young girl, and I was pretty good at it. But we play tennis every once in a while, but it's a good form of exercise. So, yeah, just thought I'd come and share, what we do. Oh, look, there's some ducks over there. I'm not going to say, like I tell you guys all the time, it's not about... working out every single day, being like super fitness girl, but every little bit of work you do helps. And like I'm not a skinny girl, I like to eat, so I have to constantly try to be aware of my fitness and working out. This is so beautiful. Look. There's a bunch of them over there. So this is what we wanted to move to. As you can see, it's very beautiful, it's very peaceful, very serene. Like you want to be outside, you want to be surrounded by nature. So yeah, we're about to go take a walk on the other side. It's like where people canoe and stuff. So if I remember, I'll try to film over there. Bye. Look at the geese. I don't know what these things, I think they're called geese. There's like a bunch of them, the babies. I'll try to walk over here. Hope they don't attack me. See, they can already sense that I'm coming, but the babies are over here. See? Trying to keep, calm, because birds sense danger and they will attack you. But look, the little babies, they're eating. See that mama one? I'm sure she's right there. She's very well aware, and there's the other one right there. They're looking at me. So I'm not gonna get too close. But my, oh, they're walking this way. My demeanor is very calm, so I don't think they sense danger. But we're gonna, oh, they're coming this way. Look how cute they are. And then there's a bunch of them in the water. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get hubby. And look at, this is all like marsh, but the water is so clean. Like you literally can see deep, like in the water. You probably can't see it because I'm using my phone, but it's really clean. Like if I fell in this water, I wouldn't be extremely upset. Alright. Alright, go get hubby. I think he's doing pull-ups or something on the kids' monkey bars. It's way better than it was in the winter. In the winter, they were bugging $7. Like,
well, the apples were per pound, so that's probably why we paid that much. Is because it's $1.40 per pound.
but no, they even had like the bunch of greens that were like $6.
Oh yeah. Seen. But maybe that's because they were out of season. You know.
So I literally had to go out and buy another box of hangers, and I might have like 250 of these hangers, like no lie.
It's been freaking raining like it's April. Who's still up late in the night, not wanting to go to sleep, eating a big ass bowl of food, none other than Cooper. Coop, you hear me talking about you? Well, you only gonna eat the peas tonight? Cause you're not eating anything else. Okay, alright, you finished with that one? Gonna leave it for me to clean up? Stop! Messing up the whole table. Oh, are you done? Are you done? You're rude.
Going to the post office and going to meet my friend for lunch right now. I'm always late. Yep, she beat me again.
Beating me? How are you always beating me? I'm not always beating you. Yeah, most of the time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I was looking forward to freaking seeing Jen.
You know, I came in today because when he called, he's like,
Yeah, we always come in for her birthday, I feel like.
You know what? It's the best place.
well, where did we go for your birthday?
Okay, put that in front of
We
you.
went to, Butterfield. Yeah.
Oh, that was your
Okay,
Yeah.
What a difference from last year to this year.
All right, you gotta get your first.
I think I still have
your
it from
first
last
taste.
year.
Go to your camera roll and you find it.
Camera roll.
Camera. Like lobster roll.
Like lobster roll.
Just finished working out in the basement. I am hella tired. Whew. So, yes, Cooper, he just asked me, am I alright? I just did, oh Lord, 45 minutes of a full body workout. My husband is still down there. He's doing weight training, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. Today I just did full body cardio and checking on dinner. Y'all see that sweat? I gotta get rid of this damn double chin. I don't know why I have a double chin. Seriously. Because y'all see that sweat glistening? As I told you, I'm very small, and for my small people out there, my mom is only like 4. She's not even, she might be 5 feet, might be, but when you're small, when you're, I mean, compact, like short, like weight on you just looks like so much more weight. If you know, taller people, they could weigh just as much as you or more, and you wouldn't be able to tell, or you don't notice it as much. But little munchkins like myself, yeah, this weight gotta come off. Like, I was looking at my videos, I was like, ooh, like from the front it look okay, and then like y'all, I'll be holding my camera like this, you see, we can't have that, no ma'am. So I'm gonna finish dinner, take me a shower, and then I think I'm gonna edit a video. I just loaded a video, vlog number 60, so by the time this clip gets up, let's see how long in between. Bye guys. Dinner tonight is chicken parmesan with a little bit of balsamic dressing, green organic lentils, which are extremely healthy for you. They're still cooking a little, and just some organic corn. That is our dinner tonight.